Go, ano daw? Okay. Same question. What do you love the most about your sisters? Wow.
Okay, so this is
Okay.
very hard.
Go, use your right.
I don't like anything about them, but
But,
I have one favorite, only one favorite.
what about the other sister?
Okay, so there's can I name one thing about both of them?
No problem.
Okay, so
It's your,
for this one,
Okay.
for
this one, who is this one?
for my oldest sister,
Yes.
Tiffany, can I reveal her first name? For my sister, Ate Marie Cor,
Kaya pala ayaw niya sabihin kanina.
she helps me in like handwriting and when I was like a kid. And then she also helps me with hard questions in like math, science, or anything else. She just helps me with hard stuff.